Hello and welcome to my latest property market. Today, I'm standing in these lovely communal gardens. It's a bit windy in front of this fabulous building where we just let a 3-bedroom home with direct river views within 24 hours of the tenant giving notice. But more about the lettings market later. Well, now it's great to be here on such a beautiful summer's day. We've seen our fair share of gloomy weather and loads of rain recently, but I'm pleased to say the economy and the housing market, like today's weather, are looking much brighter now. Pent-up demand from homebuyers is driving increased activity in the housing market as people continue to press ahead with their purchases due to increasing confidence in the UK economy and the drops we've seen in inflation down to 2.3%. That's the lowest it's been in nearly 3 years. The employment market is strengthening and interest rate cuts are now looking very likely soon. So pressure on household incomes and affordability issues are easing. Here at Benham's, we're also seeing more sellers putting their homes on the market. This is increasing the choice available for buyers and helping greater movement in the market generally. Zoopla is reporting that there are 20% more properties for sale in the UK than in spring 2023, and the number of sales has increased 9% year on year. So the housing market is in much better position than at the same time last year, and we expect greater stability in the coming months ahead. Our international offices have a very busy programme of events this summer, showcasing a number of London's most exciting new developments. Firstly, there's the long-awaited project in Wandsworth, close to the River Thames, namely Wandsworth Mills by the Barclay Group. It's been attracting a lot of interest from investors due to its facilities, which are frankly some of the best in London and certainly far above anything in the area. There's an amazing swimming pool complex and even an ice room. Our Hong Kong, Singapore and Bangkok offices have been holding preview events for it, leading to a higher number than expected offers. Meanwhile, our Dubai office recently launched Raw Gateway in West London, a new development from Barratt London. It's just down the road from one of Barratt's most successful schemes, Western Circus, but with even better pricing, which is super interesting as it's in one of Europe's largest regeneration zones, with £26 billion being invested in the local area. Our exclusive partnership with Barratt continues with events by our India team in Delhi, Mumbai and further afield in Pune. With transport key to overseas buyer, our Malaysia office has been focusing on the Elizabeth line, or Crossrail as it used to be known, showing a number of homes along the line. It's amazing to think you can still buy for £285,000 and get you to Canary Wharf or Heathrow Airport in under 30 minutes and get a yield of over 6%. And now turning to the rental market. Well, as I said at the start, we relet a flat up there on the first floor before the tenants even moved out and for 10% more than before. So things are really busy. Plus, we're in the midst of the Japan transfer market, as I love to call it, the time when most Japanese companies transfer their employees to London. Yoshi and our Japan team are stretched to the absolute max and inundated with literally hundreds of inquiries from Japanese executives, families and diplomats. This simply adds even more pressure on stock levels and has led to some surprisingly high offers. The general market remains strong and we continue to see 14 applicants for every available property. As ever, apartments in new developments like this are popular if accurately priced and with minimal voids. Rightmove reports that inquiry levels are 70% down from last year, but the figure is still 54% above that of 2019. They are estimating that around 50,000 rental properties are still needed to bring the number of rental properties back to pre-pandemic levels. This is what really supports such strong rents. With over 30 phases of new developments completing during quarters 3 and 4 this year, we see shortage easing a bit, but there's still some way to go to meet the strong rental demand we're seeing as life returns to normal after the pandemic. Needless to say, if you've got a property completing soon, or it's about to become vacant, or you've got a tenant wanting to renew, please get in touch with us, as I think you'll be shocked by just how much rent we can get for you at the moment. And of course, if you do think you may want to sell, then again, get in touch and let us give you an up-to-date valuation. So thanks for watching me from here, next to the Thames, and in this lovely communal garden on this lovely summer's day, and see you next month for another update.